government on earth, there's three governing sitting bodies. They have parliament, and then, or rather, starting like this, they have legislation. It's best called legislation. To legislate means to make law. Obviously, there are a lot of debates going on so that certain laws can come to pass. After that, laws have been brought forward. That's what they call judiciary. The judiciary is the court system. It is there to explain or to interpret the law. And then from there you have your executive. The word executive, it comes from the word execute. It means to enforce. Just like when I say, let us execute this plan, I say, let us implement it. So there's executive, the ones that enforce the law. There is judiciary, or judicial, or court if you want. The ones that explain it. That's where you find your lawyers, your judges, your people of that business. And then you have your legislation. The ones you can even call it parliament, when they explain. I believe in other settings they might also call it Congress. Alright, but now hear this. When God wanted to establish his government on earth, he did not send government. I will repeat that. When God wanted to send government on earth, he did not send government. I need to repeat that so that it must shock believers that they've not been busy about their assignment. When God sent government on earth, he did not send government. He sent people like a seed. The life of the seed, the life of the fruit is inside of the seed. The seed is not ahead of the forest is not ahead of the seed. Get it? I know we lost it. If you want to plant a forest, or if you have a forest of 1,000 trees, and you have one seed like this, all of them are equal. The seed is equal to 1,000 trees. The future of the forest is inside of the seed. So if you want to have a forest, you plant the seed. You don't need to pray for it. You don't need to fast for it. It will produce what it's supposed to produce. I get that? When God wanted to bring his government on earth, he brought the seed of that government. He brought us the seed of that government. So the government comes in threefold. It's called, first of all, through a system we call personal government. This is why the unemployed people that are prevailing, they are the most dangerous people. Because they are not part of a system, yet they are above the system and they can infiltrate and influence the system at any time. Number two, that government is supposed to be relational government. Are you get the point? Personal government, number two. Relational government, and then number three, that government is supposed to become, because of the nature of its relationship, because of its nature of how the relationship builds a community, it's then supposed to become institutional through the structure of relationship. So in Genesis chapter 1, please, if we can, I want to show you a few things. Verse number 26, somebody.
And God said, let us make man in our image, in our likeness, and let them rule over the fish of the sea.
Alright, so God said, let us make man in our own image, in our likeness, and let them rule. Another translation that does not use the word rule, please.